Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly edit a hand-drawn flowchart in PowerPoint. We've all had those moments where inspiration strikes, and we immediately sketch a flowchart on a piece of paper. Later, you may spend half an hour or more trying to manually reproduce it in PowerPoint to share with others. Let me show you a faster way to do this. First, go to ppt.gptsci.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account, check out our video tutorial on how to create one. Next, copy or upload the photo of your hand-drawn flowchart. In the preview, make sure it's the correct image. Then click Create PowerPoint Slide, which will use 1 credit. After a few seconds, you'll see a button to download the PPTX file. Open this file to begin editing your flowchart in PowerPoint. Flowcharts can be quite complex, and even the most advanced AI models might not get every detail correct. The easiest way to fix this is to copy your photo into PowerPoint and use a side-by-side view to make corrections. In this example, I've slightly moved the shapes to the left or right to make room for the connectors. Double-check the text in each shape and on the connectors. Here, I needed to change yes to no. One link was also missed, so I copied the link and text in PowerPoint and positioned them correctly. Great. Now it looks just like your hand-drawn flowchart. Feel free to delete the photo once you're satisfied. You can continue to refine and improve your flowchart directly in PowerPoint. This method is the fastest way to convert any hand-drawn flowchart into a PowerPoint slide. I hope this helps you save time.